Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I'm going to show you how to center your phrase title in your Shopify minimal theme. So, if you using Shopify for your online store and designing your website using minimal theme, then you can continue this video. Here, I'm going to share step by step easy video guideline. So, let's get started. Here is my Shopify online store and I'm going to visit about page, and you can see the page title right now in the left, but we wanted to make it center. In the same way, if we click on the contact page, we can see that the contact page title in the left side that we want in the center. Okay, so to do this, first I'm going to click on the right button of my mouse and select inspect, then click on the selector. I have selected the page title and we can see there is a class section header title. So click on the add new style rule, and here I am going to add text align center. Okay, we have added our code. Now going to copy this code, copy rules, and go back my Shopify admin panel. Here is my Shopify admin panel. Then you have to click on the action button, and from here you have to click edit code. So I have already opened this code editor page, and here I am going to open layout and open the theme liquid file, and add a custom CSS style, then add my CSS class here, click on the save. Okay, asset save. Now going to refresh our browser. We can see that our code is working. In the same way, I'm going to visit about page title in center right now. So I hope you understand the easy process. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. Bye bye.